In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two buttons side by side in Mailchimp. Let's start right from the beginning, inside your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand panel and find the section labeled Campaigns. Click on that, and the page will load with a list of all your existing campaigns. Take a moment to find the email campaign where you want to add your side-by-side buttons. On the right-hand side of that specific campaign, you'll see an edit option. Go ahead and click edit. After the page loads, you'll see a preview of your email. This is a read-only view for now. Look toward the bottom right of the screen for the option that says Edit Design. Click that, and Mailchimp will open up the email editor, where you can actually change the content and layout of your email. Inside the editor, your main focus will be the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find different types of content blocks and layout options. Scroll until you see a section called Blank Columns. This is what you'll use to create side-by-side content. From that section, select the two-column layout. Click and drag this two-column block into your email and drop it exactly where you want your two buttons to appear. You might place it under an image, below a paragraph of text, or near the bottom of your email as a final call to action. Now that the two-column structure is in place, you can add your actual buttons. Click inside the first column and look for the option that says Add Block. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Button. You'll see a button appear in that first column, then repeat the same process on the second column. Click Add Block again, and once more select Button from the drop-down. You should now see one button in the left column and another in the right, perfectly side by side. With both buttons in place, it's time to customize them. Use the left panel to configure the settings under the Content, Styles, and Visibility tabs. Under Content, you can change the button text and link it to a website, a landing page, or any URL you want. Under Styles, adjust things like the button color, font, size, alignment, and padding so both buttons look consistent and on brand. Under Visibility, decide if the buttons should appear on all devices or if you want to hide them on mobile or desktop. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the editor. Here, you have two important options. If you want to check how the email looks in an inbox, click Send Test and email a preview to yourself or your team. This is a great way to confirm that the buttons really do appear side by side on different devices. If you're finished and ready to move on, click Save and Exit to save your changes and return to your campaign overview.